Hi everyone, Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here, and today we are going to be playing with those aura nails again. Have a preview of them here. I'm surprised how many combinations we can do using this technique and creating those kind of trending nails, and I hope you really enjoy watching this tutorial too. If you do, let me know in the comments below what else you would like to see it on this channel, and we will be happy to produce that for you. We post videos every Monday, Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you're new in here, hit the subscribe button now. Let's start! A really nice and easy design to do with the aura kind of blush technique in the autumn colors, and I will show you how to do it. So to do the background we are going to use Feel Good, which is like a nudie color, and because we are going to apply some chrome over it, I'm just applying like a really nice and thin layer, and one will be just enough, and then do the same on the second one, so I can show you two different kind of patterns on it. And then let's cook it. When my tips are curing, I'm gonna grab my gel, and we are gonna use the white French gel. Now on my hands it's not a gel, it's a paint, it's a really tough steel paint, so I couldn't scrape it off anymore because the fingers start getting sore. But we are almost there. And we've got the name, like, so check guys the post, the video, because we have picked up the winner for the name of the new salon. And then once we've got this painted, 225, and I'm not usually the fan of the brown color, but this one is a really nice one. So I have just put a dot of it, and then using the sponge we are gonna make a blush kind of aura style nails. And you can do it a very little bit, just like this, or you can do it more pigmented. I like to do it in two goes. I'm actually going to grab the tiny bit of the foil, and the reason for it is each time when we're working with some sponges, it's good to have a piece of the form or something very sticky where you can remove all the fluffy bits and pieces, because actually I have got one stuck in there. So just take it away. And then responge this area. Okay, cook it. And then straight away with what I've got left, I'm going on the second one, and you can see it, you can get even nicer blending because it's more gentle. So I do really love it. One more touch. And then make it more intense. This technique would actually work really nice for those shell kind of designs in the autumn colors as well. You could do it with the black and brown. So here I'm just gonna touch up this one. I want the brown to be quite intense because the Aurora chrome looks different on different colors. So on the brown it looks more reddish, like fire kind of color, and I really like it for the autumn time. So last touch up on this one. You can see it doesn't take really as much time to create this design. What I also did, because I like to reuse the things as much as possible, I can give you a tip, guys. So I had some, maybe a pink even, and here I've got yellow. If I know I'm not gonna use those kind of colors for a couple of months, I would just cut it a sponge, and that's what I did with this one. So you don't have to replace the end every single time. And I usually store it away from the light, just so they don't cook. Okay, then we have to apply the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel. And you know, the things don't look pretty yet. Compared it with the actual design, you know, it doesn't look nice yet, but we have to apply the top coat over it. So I'm just applying a top coat. make sure again there is no fluffy bits and pieces. If you get something, just pull it away. The top coat has to be extremely well applied, and I like to check it like in every angle of the light to make sure things are really nice and smooth. Let's cook it. And then same in here. Guys, please let me know what else, what kind of designs would you like to see it, and I will be very happy to produce them for you. Okay, my first tip is ready, so I'm just grabbing it. Grab the Aurora chrome and apply it in. I like to put 2 coats, wait for it to dry, and then just massage it in. Look how amazing design we've got. It's absolutely fantastic. I love the colors of it, like shining through different angles. And then do the same on the other one. It's totally enhanced this nail art. And I think it's better that we have choose like 2 completely opposite colors because it's even more interesting. Okay, step number 2. So depending on what kind of effect you want to achieve, I'm actually gonna wrap in a bit more in here. You would either leave it the way it is, paint your design and apply the top coat, or you would apply the top coat and then paint the design. I'm going for option number 2 because I want to use some sugaring, okay? So I'm just applying my top coat again to protect the chrome now. Good. And then another one. And we've got those liquid chromes on our website available in 2 colors. One is Aurora and one is an Angel one. They are actually absolutely fantastic. I might actually show you how they look on different colors as well. So you can see this is Aurora, the one which we have just applied in, and that's how it looks on, no, sorry, yes. Oh, no, I did, yes. Oh, no, I did mistake. Reattaching them. It's like, no, that's not the right shine. There we are. So, oh, typical when you touch something. My tip is cooking, so I cannot use it yet. This is the Aurora one, and it's over the pink, over the white, over the black. And that's the Angel one, pink, white, and black. So you can see they've got both completely different results. And Aurora is my favorite one, and Olivia's love the Angel. So you guys will probably have your favorite picks as well. Okay, the tip is ready. And now we can paint the design. Very easy. So we are going to use the watercolor brush. And I love it for the fact that you can create a pretty nice and stunning design in a matter of literally a couple minutes, if not seconds. Okay, so I'm pressing hard and then light. And we've got like kind of petal leaf. I don't know how you would describe it. Do it in here and then make another one slightly bigger. Another one joining in. And another one. Okay, add something in here. And that's it. Let's leave this one alone. So it's swap to the D-liner brush and then kind of touch up the places. So I want this to come up from something, and then I'm gonna extend each of the petal which we have created just in a kind of wavy motion. So extend each petal, join this one in so it doesn't fly, and then add couple small leaves. because I don't like when the things fly too much. That's why we are joining them in. That's enough. I'm gonna just keep this one the way it is. Let's sprinkle it with the sugar. And mine is a mixture of all the sugars available we've got. I have just put them all into the one pot, so I've got like a mixture of all of them. Cook it. Now the sugar is not gonna stick into the places where we've got the top coat. And this one I will do it two-sided one. So one on the bottom part. Look like the texture also the watercolor brush is creating. It will look absolutely amazing just even on its own without of any sugar. But I just wanted to give it a different texture to it, you know, like one which is very shiny and smooth, and then some kind of a bit rough surface as well. I'm just kind of pressing. I want you guys to really learn this move because I think it's absolutely amazing and absolutely fantastic. It's such a quick way to decorate the nails using the watercolor brush. And those designs are amazing for a winter time when you kind of do like a frost paint, but also they are fantastic for autumn. We are using it for autumn now, for summer as well. And when I started my journey as a nail technician, I was always very scared of large brushes. And now I'm really a fan of them because they create a different kind of designs. And then add a couple of the smaller leaves. I actually cannot wait when I could really spend a good time doing some live videos again with you guys, like obviously with the cameraman again. Yeah, he's excited as well. Like, you know, we honestly, we cannot wait when we've got...
So much missing that.
You're missing that. Yeah, I do miss it as well. Like, you know, we do really miss it, a time when we can just relax as well a little bit. But we do love doing those videos for you guys. So we cannot wait when the things are easier. Should be soon. Okay. And I think, no, actually I'm gonna add one more so they kind of twist together almost join in together. One more, just a tiny wee one. Okay, and then let's sprinkle it. Actually, I love this one, like such a simple way to create an autumny design. And I'm not fan of those heavy autumn designs. As you can see it on my nails, I've got just like a wee simple leaves and nothing over the top. Just because I like those kind of elegant, kind of delicate style, and that's what I wanted to show you for autumn as well. Now, once we have finished working with the sugar and our chip is completely cooked, we are gonna take some brush and remove the excess of the sugar. So the sugar did only attach to the white paint, but it didn't attach to the chromy parts. And that's how it looks when it's finished. Look at this aurora, it's unbelievable. I love it so much. Let's place this one in here, and then that one is ready too. So I'm just gonna clean it, place it here, and then I can show you the full collection because all four looks even more amazing. Let me just angle this, like, wow. Can you see that, guys? Wow.
Like fire.
Like fire, yes, those nails are on fire. Amazing, absolutely pretty, unbelievable, and easy to do it. Autumn.
The lights are made from the white, it's like pink or something like that.
Yes, pink is orange, like, you know, and then on the lighter parts, you've got those kind of pinkish, bluish tone. So absolutely amazing combination. Grab your chrome, guys, from our website. I'm sending you huge glittery hugs, and bye for now.